Welcome to Gayatri Yoga, my friends. Today I'd like to share with you a quick morning yoga flow that is based on sun salutations, adding a couple of other moves to target side areas of the body and hips for a full rounded, very quick morning practice. We'll begin the practice at the front of your mat. Bring your feet together, toes touching heels slightly apart, rooting your feet into the mat, lengthening through the crown of the head and taking a moment to observe how you feel. Observing your balance, connecting to your breath. When you're ready, inhale, lift your arms up, bring the palms at the back of your head. Gently press with the palms into the base of the skull and lift through the heart, widening through the collarbones, lengthen through the front of the body. Reach your elbows into opposite directions. Exhaling, slowly begin tucking the chin and curling down one vertebra by vertebra at a time. Observing how your back line feels, folding down, and then releasing the palms and reaching the palms to the cool floor. Observing how your back line is feeling here. You can micro bend the knees. Walking your legs here. And when you're ready, scoop the pubic bone, connect to your core, reach the pubic bone towards the ribs, and begin slowly rising up, staking your vertebrae one on top of the other. Shoulders over the hips, crown of the head over the spine. Inhale, bring the palms up, bring the palms to the back of your head. Lengthen, stretch through the front of the body. Exhaling, slowly tucking the chin, draw the elbows in, rolling down. One vertebra by vertebra at a time, reaching the palms to the floor. Inhale and exhale, slowly begin rising up. Returning back to standing. Inhale, lift the arms up through the sides. You can bring the palms together, micro bend the knees, and lengthen through the front of the body, and maybe then straighten the legs. Exhaling, slowly folding down, reaching the palms to the floor. You can walk your legs here, bending the legs one at a time. Inhale, lift your chest halfway up. Exhale, step or jump back into plank and lower down to your knees, chest, chin, or chaturanga. Inhale, stretch through the front of the body, upward dog. Exhale, shift the hips back and up, downward dog. Inhale, send the gaze to the front. Exhale, step, walk, or jump to the front of the mat. Inhale, lift your chest halfway up. Exhaling, folding down. Inhaling, rising up to standing, finding your back bend. And exhale, return to neutral. One more time, inhale, lift the arms up, find your back bend. Exhaling, folding down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, chaturanga, modifying knees, chest, chin if needed. Inhale, upward facing dog, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back and up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up, keep your hips squared, flex your right foot, and pulse the right leg up for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend the right knee and step your right foot to the outside of your right palm. Press your left palm into the mat, circle the right arm back and up. Find your twist. And now rotate your right toes to the right side of the room, sinking the hips and lengthening through the right side. Reach your right palm to the front of the room. Exhale, sink the hips to the floor and up, down, and up. Exhale, rotate your right toes to face the front of the room. Bring your right palm to the floor and lift your right heel, connect to your core, push the floor away from you, reach the nose to the knee. And now extend your right leg all the way to the left, shift the hips back, find this downward dog variation. Observe what's happening on the outer edge of your right thigh, your outer hip. And now slowly lower your left heel down towards the right side of the mat. Finding the side plank variation, or somebody calls it falling triangle. Observe how you feel. You can engage your core and lift your bottom leg up. Exhale, transition back into plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, shift the hips back and up, downward dog. Inhale, send the gaze to the front. Exhale, step, walk or jump to the front of the mat. Inhaling halfway up. Exhaling, folding down. Inhaling, rising up to standing, finding your back bend. Exhale, return to neutral. Inhale, lift the arms up. Find your back bend, open the heart. Exhaling, folding down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, chaturanga, or knees, chest, chin. Inhale, upward facing dog, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back and up, downward dog. Lift your left leg up, keep the hips squared, flex your left foot and pulse the leg up for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend the left knee and step your left foot to the outside of the left palm. Press your right palm into the mat and twist towards the left side. Circle the left arm back and up. Reach it up to the ceiling. And now rotate your left toes to face the left side of the room. Lower your right heel down. Find this twisted side plank variation and observe how it feels on the outer left hip. Reach your left palm to the front and push the feet into the mat and lift the hips high. Observe how it feels. Slowly sink the hips down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And inhale up. Slowly rotate your left toes to face the front of the room. Lower your left palm down. And now keep compressing your left thigh towards the ribs. And lift your left heel. Push the floor away from you. Reach the nose towards the left knee. Hold. And now extend the left leg all the way to the right. Flex the foot. Straighten both legs. Shift the hips back. Reach your right heel to the floor. Observe how it feels on your lateral side of your left leg. Outer hip, your IT bend. Bring the weight towards the left palm and lower your right heel down. Reaching your right arm up. Staking your shoulders, and if you wish, engage the core and lift your left leg up. Exhale, slowly transition into plank. You can take one-legged plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back and up. Downward dog. Take 5 deep inhales and exhales here. Reach the heels down. Tuck the chin, you can gaze towards the navel, engage your pelvic floor. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale, slowly lower the knees down. Exhale, shift the hips back. Find your child's pose. Breathe into the lower back and take a moment to connect to the energy. Observe the heat. Softening your face, your jaw, your lips, your eyebrow area, your forehead. When you're ready, slowly begin rising up, finding yourself sitting on your knees.